Sunday, October 7, 2018. This is Mercedes Diesel Guy, and this is my 1998 Volvo V70 GLT project car. It's been quite a while since I've actually touched the car at all, weeks, possibly over a month now, and essentially life has gotten in the way. So hopefully I'm going to turn a few wrenches tonight. Long story short, when I last left off, I was about halfway through the timing belt job. So I had gotten the timing belt off and, well, mostly off. I was still kind of getting it out the bottom of the engine when I ran out of time. The only other new development is I did make a junkyard run yesterday. Let me show you what I got.
Here you can see one of 3 brake calipers I picked up at the junkyard, and although they do look a bit dirty, everything seems to be working smoothly. None of the bleeder screws are stuck. None of the pistons seem to be stuck. And I was able to get the rear calipers and the front passenger side caliper for this car, because I do believe this car will need 4 calipers. I got the front driver's caliper off the car at the junkyard, but and incidentally it did fight me, but that one was unfortunately seized, so that was just wasted time. Also, I got a door panel. You can see here it is filthy at the top. That's just from me carrying it out of the junkyard. But never mind that noise. That was just some stuff piled on top of it that I forgot about. But you can see here it's got the correct leather insert, or vinyl, I think it's vinyl, that is not torn. And overall, I mean, it's not in perfect shape, but it's significantly better than what's in the car. If I could just remind you, this here is the torn up door panel that's in the car. So yeah, 3 calipers and a door panel. Took a couple of hours there, but mostly because the car was sitting on the ground and getting those calipers off was not fun. So I'm looking for my hanging shop lamp, which I can't seem to find at the moment. But you can see this is where I left off. Timing belt is pretty much fed out of the engine here. You can see there's a lot of condensation on the engine from the weather. It's just been warm, cool, damp on and off. So yeah, there's a bunch of condensation in here. A little bit of flash rust in these pulleys. Nothing that concerns me. But yeah, going to be doing a little bit of work this evening. Not too much. Hopefully I'll get that timing belt completely out because it's stuck on the bottom pulley there. And then maybe change the water pump. So that's where I am for now. Hopefully I can pick up with updates again soon. Hopefully it won't be too much longer before I'm back in full swing on the project. So this is Mercedes Diesel Guy. Thanks for watching.